Hello everyone, welcome to CodeGate. Today I will again try to show you the accessibility of the default, public, private and protected variable in different package. In my previous video, I have covered that what is the accessibility of the default type, private type, protected type and public type variables in the same class and in the same package derived class and in the same package same class non subclass. So you can see that in my previous video I have created one package p1 where in protection class I have declared four variables n underscore pri, n underscore pro and n underscore pub, where you can see that n is a default because we have not specified anything in front of the int. So when we don't specify any access modifier, then it is by default. And you can see that I have declared one private, protected and public also. So when I try to access all these type of four variable inside the same class in the same package, then it is accessible. But when I try to access these variable in the derived class, so you can see we cannot access the private variable, whether the class in the same package, because it is the subclass of protection class. So we are not able to access the private variable. Private variable will be accessed only in the class where they are declared. And I have also shown you that if we are having some other class in the same package, then also we are not able to access the private type variable. Now I will show you the accessibility of these variables, these four variables which are defined in protection class in the package P1 inside the other package. So here you can see I have declared a package P2, and inside this package P2 I have created two classes. So one is the derived class. So here in this package P2, I have imported the package P1. So the variables are declared in the protection class. So what I did, I just import this import statement, then package name dot class name. So I have imported protection class inside the package P2. And I have created derived one class which is going to extend protection class. Means derived one here is a subclass and protection is a superclass. So we have to see whether we can access the four variables in this derived class. Here, what is the scenario? You can see that a package is different. Means we are going to check the accessibility of default, private, protected and public variable inside the different package subclass. So here you can see I have created display method for that, but you can see that the variables are in red color, are not accessible inside this class. So you can see, let me show you you can see that n is not public in P1 protection, so cannot be accessed from outside package. Means we cannot access default variable outside the package where they are declared, because n is declared in P1, so and it is of default type, so we cannot access this variable inside the P2. And one more thing, we are also not able to access the private variable. We can only access the protected and public variable. So this concept is clear that we are not able to access private and default variable in other package subclass. Okay, we can only access the protected and public variables in other package subclass. Now, I have declared one more class, which is a normal class. It is not extending any class. So here what I did, again, I have imported package P1 and protection class. Why I am importing protection class? Because all the four variables are declared in this class only. You can see here. This video is continuation of the previous video which I have uploaded on my channel. So if you have any doubt, you have to clarify anything, you can check my previous video. I will give the link of the previous video in the description box. You can click that video and you can see that also. So you can see that the four variables are defined in protection class. So the package is P2 and we are trying to access package P1. So what I have to do? I have to import the package P1, and which class I am going to use? Protection. So I have imported import p1.protection and the class name is different package. This is a normal class. It is not a subclass of anything. Means it is not extending any other class. So here you can see when you try to access some class variables, then for that, what you need, you have to create the object of that class. So here in this line, what I did, I have just created the object of protection class obj1. With the help of the obj1, I have tried to access all four variables, but you can see in the red color variable that here also we cannot access protection, we cannot access default variable. Means in any case, we are not able to access the default variable outside the package. And you can see here also, we are not able to access the private variable also. And here we cannot able to access the protected variable also. That means when the package is different and we are trying to access the variables of private type, protected type and default type in some normal class which is outside that particular package, then we are not able to access them. Means we can only access in this case public variable. So I hope this point is also clear to everyone. In my previous video, I have discussed about the same package, same class, same package derived class, and same package non-subclass. In this video, what I am discussing, the package is different. The package is P2. So we are checking the accessibility inside the different package subclass and different package non-subclass. The conclusion is this, that when we are trying to access the variables in some other package, normal class, then we are not able to access default, private and protected. We can only access the public variable. Whereas if I try to access variables which are declared in some other package inside this subclass, then we can only access the protected and public. Private and default will not be accessible. So I hope this video is clear to everyone. So this is the last video of the package series. So if you really want to understand the accessibility and package, you have to watch all three videos which are uploaded on my channel for the package. I will give you the description and video link of my previous two videos in the description box. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all the videos. Thank you.